Lipids. The lipids are a heterogeneous group of compounds related to fatty acids. They are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents such as ether, alcohol, chloroform, and benzene. Lipids include fats, oils, waxes, cholesterol, and related compounds. Lipids as hydrophobic compounds are components of cellular membranes. They are used to store energy because of the higher proportion of carbon-hydrogen bonds and a very low proportion of oxygen. Lipids store double the amount of energy as compared to the same amount of any carbohydrate. Some lipids provide insulation against atmospheric heat and cold, and also act as waterproof material. Waxes in the exoskeleton of insects, and cutin. An additional protective layer on the cuticle of epidermis of some plant organs, like leaves, fruits, seeds, are some of the main examples. Lipids have been classified as acyl glycerols, waxes, phospholipids, sphingolipids, glycolipids, terpenoids, including carotenoids and steroids. Acyl glycerols. Acyl glycerols are composed of glycerol and fatty acids. The most widely spread acyl glycerol is triacyl glycerol, also called triglycerides or neutral lipids. Chemically, acyl glycerols can be defined as esters of fatty acids and alcohols. An ester is a compound produced as a result of chemical reaction of an alcohol with an acid, and a water molecule is released. Hydroxyl is released from alcohol and hydrogen from an acid. Hydrogen and hydroxyl combine and form a water molecule. Fatty acids are one of the most important components of triglycerides. Fatty acids contain even number 2 to 30 of carbon atoms in straight chain, attached with a hydrogen, and having an acidic or carboxylic group. They may contain no double bond, saturated fatty acids, or up to 6 double bonds, unsaturated fatty acids. In animals, fatty acids are straight chains, while in plants these may be branched or rings. Solubility of fatty acids in organic solvents increase with increasing the number of carbon atoms in the chain. Palmitic acid C16 is much more soluble in organic solvents than butyric acid C4. The melting point of palmitic acid is 63.1 degrees C, as against -8 degrees C for butyric acid. Fats containing unsaturated fatty acids are usually liquid at room temperature and are said to be oils. Fats containing saturated fatty acids are solids. Animal fats are solid at room temperature, whereas most of the plant fats are liquids. Fats and oils are lighter in water and have a specific gravity of about 0.8. They are not crystalline, but some can be crystallized under specific conditions. Waxes. Waxes are widespread as protective coating on fruits and leaves. Some insects also secrete wax. Chemically, waxes are mixtures of long-chain alkanes with odd numbers of carbon atoms ranging from C25 to C35, and alcohols, ketones, and esters of long-chain fatty acids. Waxes protect plants from water loss and abrasive damage. They also provide water barrier for insects, birds, and animals, such as sheep. Phospholipids. Phospholipids are derivatives of phosphatidic acid, which are composed of glycerol, fatty acids, and phosphoric acid. Nitrogenous bases such as choline, ethanolamine, and serine are important components of phospholipids. They are widespread in bacteria, animals, and plant cells and are frequently associated with membranes. Phosphatidylcholine is one of the common phospholipids. Terpenoids. Terpenoids are a very large and important group of compounds, which are made up of simple repeating units, isoprenoid units. This unit, by condensation in different ways, give rise to compounds such as rubber, carotenoids, steroids, terpenes, etc. Lipids constitute major source of energy and play an important role in the structure of membranes of cell and of organelles found in cell. They also provide insulation, mechanical protection, and protection from water loss and abrasive damage.